How to find Aether in Terraria. So you do not need to blindly mine out your entire world just to find the shimmer. So the Aether biome spawns in a highly predictable position or location. So first, locate your jungle biome, and the Aether is hard-coded to always generate on the exact same half of the map as the jungle biome. So let's say your jungle biome is here on the left side, so it means the Aether will spawn on the left side of the map also. But since my jungle is right here on the right side, it will spawn around here on the right side of the map. So it basically means that it's always on the opposite side of your dungeon and the snow biome. Second is run past your jungle toward this side's ocean, or basically the ocean on the side of your jungle. Then you just basically need to stop before you hit the actual ocean water. Once you're here, just dig down or dig straight down from the outer third of the map. So I'm just going to dig down right there. Now for the visual indicators, once you're deep enough, you should look for a massive hollow stone dome. And as you get close, the background will completely shift to a dark, starry space pattern, just like that. So from here, if you get close to it, as you can see, the background changes. So let's say you're from this side right here. So you're on the upper part somewhere, and somehow you see the background change just like that. You just basically need to dig down, up, until you see the shimmer right here. So as you can see, the Aether biome is always at the middle of the jungle and the ocean, right there. So if you see the hollow stone dome, or in this stone biome where the background is gray, around the middle part, you will probably see the Aether biome or the shimmer right here. And that is how you find Aether in Terraria.